Beautiful large one bedroom in Jackson Heights. This is entrance. There's a closet here. This is the living room. A large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light during the day. Separate kitchen, 2 windows, beautiful kitchen. A lot of cabinets, a lot of counter space. Granite countertops, microwave. It's the bedroom here, a large bedroom, could fit a king size or queen size bed with a dresser. There's a closet here. Bathroom all renovated, very clean. Beautiful tiles. Shiny bathtub. Linen closet. Beautiful apartment near Banks Restaurant, grocery shops, very close to the train station. The apartment is very good price, gonna go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.